This video belongs to relaxingend channel, so all credits goes to him. Hey guys, today we have ROG Strix R18 2023. A monster gaming laptop. So without any delay, let's unbox this laptop. In the box we get a charger and some manuals, and of course the laptop. 330 watts charger for power this monster laptop. ROG Strix R18 2023 comes with RTX 4090 laptop GPU, Intel Core i9-13980HX processor, 216GB DDR5 4800 SODIMM RAM, 240Hz ultra-high refresh rate, and 500 nits brightness, and some other advanced features that this laptop can offers. Finally, the next-gen gaming laptop is here, 18-inch huge laptop, for more immersive laptop gaming experience. Now let's activate this monster gaming laptop. New ROG Gaming Mouse, ROG Harp Ace, Sim Lab Edition. ROG Hone Ace, AIM Lab Edition, AIM Training Mousepad. Please note this, RTX 4090 laptop GPU won't give you the same performance as RTX 4090 desktop GPU. These are two different products. Let's see how the 4090 laptop GPU runs in game. Let's do some gaming, but before that, guys, the money this channel makes, we are going to donate, and help poor kids, so I just have a small request to you guys. Subscribe if you don't, and share this video with your family and friends. If you guys help me that much, so I can able to help them. Thank you so much. Hogwarts Legacy, 2560p by 1600 Ultra settings, DLSS performance, frame generator on, ray tracing off.
I had planned to extend an invitation to you myself.
Who plays the old Harry Potter games? Let me know in the comments, and share your experience. And Harry Potter fans, drop one like, and subscribe if you don't.
I cannot tell you how nice it is to breathe fresh air after being cooped up in ancient rooms. Grave mistake to take it as an elective class, believe me.
I believe you.
Though I suppose you would not really call it elective, when your mother was the one who elected you. Hogsmeade is beautiful this time of year. There's Hogsmeade over the cliff. How's that brewing?
Now let's turn on the ray tracing.
Though I suppose you would not really call it elective, when your mother was the one who elected you to take it.
Now, frame generator off. Look the difference between FPS, it's insane.
How are you settling in? I remember the weeks that followed my arrival feeling quite strange. I still miss my homeland.
I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.